Hello everyone, welcome back to Exam Prep. Today I am giving Indus Valley Civilization questions. Before that, if you like my videos, then subscribe to my channel for more updates. Let's start. First question. Consider the following statements. First statement, horse was the prominent domesticated animal during Indus Valley Civilization period. Second statement, burial customs were not uniform across all sites. Answer is B, 2 only. Next question. Consider the following statements with reference to the Harappan script. First statement, it contains mostly in pictographs. Second statement, it is written from right to left. Answer is C, both 1 and 2. Next question. Consider the following statements. First statement, bronze dancing girl found at Harappa. Second statement, Harappan practiced agriculture with barley and wheat. Answer is B, 2 only. Next question. Consider the following statements with regarding Harappan seals. First statement, seals often featured animals like the unicorn and zebu. Second statement, they were made only by using gold and silver. Answer is A, 1 only. Next question. Consider the following statements. First statement, Indus Valley people used iron extensively. Second statement, grave goods like pots, beads, and ornaments were commonly placed. Answer is B, 2 only. Next question. Consider the following statements. First statement, Indus Valley people used iron extensively. Second statement, grave goods like pots, beads, and ornaments were commonly placed. Answer is B, Lothal dockyard. Dolavi, water management. Mohenjo-daro, Pashupati idol. Next question. Which of the following sites has evidence of plowed fields? First one, Kalibangan. Second one, dockyard. Third one, Banwal. Answer is C, 1 and 3 only. Question. Consider the following statements. First one, invention by Aryans is the most widely accepted theory. Second one, climate change and ecological disturbances may have played role. Answer is B, 2 only. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It's really helped you new channel like mine. Thank you.